Lubbock Power and Light aims to provide our customers with best-in-class technology and customer service. That's why we're investing in advanced meters for all our electric customers across the city. Current electric meters have to be read manually each month and manually entered into the system for billing. Advanced meters use wireless technology to automatically send encrypted meter readings several times a day. The readings are automatically and securely synced with the billing system, so there's less opportunity for error. Advanced meters do not transmit personally identifiable information or specific appliance usage information. The new technology allows LP&L to start and transfer service more quickly than with the current meters. Plus, with advanced meters, the customer service team can help customers review bills to learn more about their energy use and identify ways to save. In the future, customers can access an online portal from anywhere, at any time, to see their own electric use in near real time. Summer storm or winter freeze blowing through? Advanced meters can automatically alert our crews to outages and identify the location of the outage, helping us restore power more quickly. Looking ahead, advanced meters also provide valuable information that can help LP&L plan for Lubbock's growing energy demands. For more information about LP&L and advanced meters, visit lpnl.com.